Bobby. Yeah, that one right there, that's probably the best one of the day. He ought to get that 250 just for that outfit. That's pretty cool race gear he's got going there. Looks like he got a big old mullet hanging out the back of that helmet, too.